sharp turns, upside-down maneuvers, and sudden drops in stops. For your safety, you should be in good health and free from high blood pressure, heart, back, or neck problems, motion sickness, or other conditions that could be aggravated by this adventure. Expectant mothers shouldn't ride, and all passengers must meet the minimum height requirement. If you're traveling with kids, be sure to keep an eye on them. And remember that you'll need to stow all bags and loose items. If you're traveling with any large packages that won't fit at your feet, you should leave them with someone who's not riding. Oh yeah, and any passengers in wheelchairs must transfer to a limo train to join in this adventure. Well, I think that about covers it. That's the business, and the fun's just ahead. Rock on.
Wherever you are. You're not doing it? Oh, that's parkour. I'm going forward. I'm going to turn the mic.
Safety, pull down on the shoulder restraint until it locks in place. Keep your head against the headrest and remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. Be sure to stow your belongings on the floor and watch your kids.
Entonces, por su seguridad, tiren de la barra hasta que se cierre el conflicto. Mantengan la cabeza contra las posacabezas y permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la limusina. Asegúrense de colocar sus efectos personales en el piso y de vigilar a sus niños.
This is JohnYChen broadcasting live from the hottest show in town, the Aerosmith concert. Seems like everyone in LA is headed to the show, so if you're stuck out there on the freeway, just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station. VIPs, exit to your right. We'll see you next tour.
We're gonna. What are we gonna do?